Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Learners. In the previous video, we learned how to add videos in a website from our PC. In this video, we'll be learning how to add videos in a website from YouTube. If you have not accessed the playlist yet, go and access it. I will be providing the link in the description box. So, without wasting time, let's get started and subscribe Tech Learners too.
A jolt and then you'll die.
So let us start our video. So first I'll open my VS Code. I'll just right click and open with Visual Studio Code, and I'll select the folder Web Development Course Pockets. You should just click this button. As you can see, my cursor is highlighted, and you should click open folder, and you can just select the folder. I want Web Development Course Pockets folder, and I'll make a new file called YouTube videos.html. The extension for HTML is .html, and I will put the boilerplate. To put the boilerplate, just use exclamation mark and click enter. And I start my live server. As you can see that my live server has been started. So I'll just zoom a page, as you can see properly. To zoom the page, just use Control and just scroll, and I'll toggle the word wrap. If you don't want to toggle from here, you can just right click and go to command palette and just toggle the word wrap. So I'll give a title called YouTube videos, and I'll save this using Ctrl S. As you can see that now there's a title, and I will just do the same like previous videos. I'll make a h1 with ID, head, and I will write here I'll write this tutorial is on how to add YouTube videos. Now it will be written here, as you can see. I will just go to my style tag, and I will target hash head. And I will make text align center. Then I'll give some border 3 pixel solid. I'll use red something, and I'll give some background color, background color of, I'll select that this one again, and I will use the color picker. Now it will be nice. As you can see here, I'll give some width to first I'll toggle the word wrap. I think I forgot to toggle the word wrap. Open with live server. Yeah. Let's cancel it. Then I will give some width to it. First I'll toggle the word wrap. The word wrap is already toggled, so no need. And I will just give some width of 600 pixel. I think this much is enough. If it's not enough, I'll just, yeah, it's nice. I'll give some margin to margin of 0 pixel, margin of 0 pixel auto, and save it. Yeah, it's nice. Now as you can see how to add YouTube videos. Then so let us get to our topic. This is just a heading. So to start, just open your Chrome browser on you can just continue in this browser too, but I'm using here Chrome browser, Google Chrome, and I'll go to youtube.com and I'll search here my YouTube channel. I'll just go to my YouTube channel. I came to my YouTube channel. I'll just stop this video. So my YouTube channel has 52 subscribers, so thank you for that. And I'll go to videos, so I'll set the latest video. So if I want to add this video in my website, for that you can just click share. As you can see, share button. You can just click share and you'll get a lots of options here. You doesn't need to go all of this option. You can just click embedded, as you can see here embedded, and you got some as you can see, you got some iframe with. So iframe is used when you want to add a YouTube video. You can just use Ctrl C to copy this, and then you can paste it here, and I will save it. I think now the video is added, as you can see here. You can just click this button. As you can see, you can just click this button to add. So my net is a bit slow, so I can just stop it. Oh, more videos. I don't want more videos. As you can see here, so this is about how to add. You can just click this button. You'll get all the features in the YouTube too. You can just use the subtitles too, and you can use the quality too. As you can see, you'll get all the features available in YouTube here. You can just click watch later to watch later, and you can go to my YouTube channel too. You can just click subscribe to subscribe my YouTube channel. So subscribe my YouTube channel, and when I hover on it, it will come subscribe here too. As you can see here, so this is about how to add YouTube videos. You can add more videos here. So you can also add audio that I'll be teaching you in the next video. So let us add more videos. I'll go to my Chrome again, and I will select this animations video, and I'll do the same. Go to embedded, just copy and paste here. Just copy. If you want to make a YouTube by yourself, you can use this too. You can add your text, you can add your margin, padding, border, everything. I'll just paste it here. I'll save it. I think now there are 2 videos, as you can see here. You can also style it, but if I start styling, it will be a long video. So I'll just stop styling. If you click watch on YouTube, you'll go to my YouTube channel and you can watch here, as you can see here.
Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Learner. In this video, we will be learning about CSS animation.
So this is about how to add videos from YouTube. You can just go to my channel and you'll get everything here. I taught you about animations, how to create a registration form, entities, and you can access the playlist too. Here from you can just click playlists and you can access it. So if you have not accessed the playlist yet, go and access it. I will be providing the link in the description box. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, Tech Learners, and I'll see you next time. Until then, bye bye.